Alright guys, so today's video we're going to be doing a rinseless wash. We're going to be using Wolfgang Uber SiO2 rinseless. It's a great product. It has some SiO2 protection. It's a rinseless, so it's a lot quicker to wash a vehicle, especially when they're coated, and this car is coated. And these really good results. So let's go ahead and get to it. We got our microfiber towels here. We got our bucket ready to go. Okay, we'll go ahead and show you. So there's some SiO2 rinseless wash in there. And I'm gonna put my 2 microfibers. And that's all we're gonna be using really is 2. So we can use all 8 sides. And every panel I'll be probably switching it over, so always have a clean microfiber. What else? Oh, so I don't have a pump sprayer. Fortunately, it dropped and it broke, so I have to use a good old trigger bottle. Now normally you want to have a pump spray for this. It's going to save you a lot of time and your hands are going to thank you for it. But today we don't have that, so I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way. So first, I'm going to go ahead and just spray everywhere. You guys can see this part is a little dirty, but this rinseless is still going to take it away. Now we have some tar here. I'm gonna probably have to use something else because I don't think this is gonna take it out. And don't know if it has a tar remover with me. So we'll see how we take care of that. Now this is gonna be a good challenge for this rinseless because it does have a lot of traffic film on this car. This is very borderline on rinseless. So you can see here how it encapsulates the dirt and then just brings it down. Alright, so I'm going to do this for the whole car, and then I'll be back and then we're going to go to the next step, which is contact. And we're going to be using the 2 microfiber towels. And then we're going to clean all panels. So I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. Now we're ready to go ahead and clean it up. So I got the microfiber and we got 8 sides. You can fold it up this way here. So we're going to be using this one, flip it over, all 8 sides. I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys close. As you can see here, it is dirty. Not no more. Pretty cool. Okay, so we have all 4 sides dirty, so I'm going to flip it over to 4s again. We got another 4 more sides clean. And you can see here, it's working really good with the built up foam. Take a look at here. Here's a little tar gone. Pretty cool, man. This thing just breaks down all that nice stuff. So take a look at it. Pretty much gone. Just a little bit left. A little touch up. That's it. Let me try something here. Because it has a lot of bugs, I'm going to go ahead and use this cleaner here. And I'm going to spray some on the bugs. And then I'm going to follow it up with some rinses again. This is going to help break down the bugs. Even though the rinses may still take out the bugs, you just want to be a little bit more safer and remove it completely before we do the wash. So we'll let that sit there for a second. And while that is working, we'll go ahead and dry up the vehicle. Parts that we have done already. Now we're gonna follow up the big area, and we're gonna spray some rinseless on it. Now this will kind of remove any of the other chemical that I put on, which was an APC. It's gonna kind of neutralize it before I use the things up. All right. Now because I'm running out of how many we have here, we're gonna go ahead and finish up. We'll leave this for last at the end with this microfiber. That way we don't contaminate the bucket, because once we do that, I don't want to put it back into the rinseless bucket. So bring you guys closer. And that'll be it for this microfiber towel. We still have one fresh, clean microfiber towel and another one on standby. And then we have fresh, new 8 size that we can work with. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit more. This will be so much easier with the pump sprayer, but it's okay. Working with what we got. You don't need a pump sprayer to do rinseless. You still do it this way. Alright, and here's the final look on the rinseless wash. It left this Tesla looking glossy, beautiful, shiny. The results speak for themselves, guys. So what do you guys think? Is rinseless a good option for a mobile detailing business? Do you think that you'll be using it? Have you tried it out? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys like this type of video, give a like. That way it lets me know you guys enjoy this content, and I will be making more for you guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one. See you later.